Here is one automatic sales method that we often forget about. Let's chat. Real quick, again, I'm Justin, founder of AutomationMastery.net, here to help you, the coach, speaker, and trainer, create automated systems that save you time and generate you more revenue. And today is a true symbol of that exact thing. Because there's this one method when it comes to automating your sales that a lot of people don't think about. Now, there's a whole space of folks who are into this method, but there's also some folks who just completely don't even consider this to be a thing. And I always see them putting out content, right? So I know some of you putting out content on a day-to-day basis, and it's not even a strategy that I've seen you break ground with or even attempt to do, right? Some of y'all got it, but some of y'all just don't. So I want to make sure that you understand it. So right now, again, y'all see me putting up content all the time. So sometimes I'm reviewing tools and I'm very straightforward with you all, right? So I'm like, hey, look, check out this link. It's no affiliate link. Just click it. It'll take you there. Enjoy. Go check out the software. And other times I'm like, hey, by the way, if y'all like this, click the link in the description and you'll find my affiliate link, right? So if you like it anyway, just check it out. Check out the affiliate link. Go give it a shot. And so when you check out that affiliate link and you decide to purchase it, I get paid. And something beautiful happens here because the only responsibility or work on my end is simply putting out the content. It's not servicing the thing. It's not delivering the thing. It's not supporting you. I don't have to go back and, give you a ticket, check any problems or issues. I just got to put out the content and make sure I'm putting out content about good products and services. Now, you're gonna be like, well, Justin, what is an affiliate link? What is it? What does that even mean? An affiliate is someone who doesn't work for a company, but you've signed up and you've agreed to promote their product or service, their platform, in exchange for a share of the profits. Meaning you only get paid when they get paid, and they only get paid when you get paid. It's a win-win deal. And again, it is the one way that you can automate your sales without you. It's the true definition of automating the sale, because you just do the content, people go check out the link, and it is up to that particular company to take it from there. And that's really it. And you get it because of the power of technology, you get to get paid in exchange for somebody purchasing through your link. That is the definition of automated sales. So the only thing you really need to do and focus on is one. So here's the steps. I'm going to try to write these things down. Make sure you got this stuff solid. First thing you need to do, research products and services in your space, in your niche. So don't be a coach coaching about relationships and then you're promoting a product that involves dog biscuits. Right? It has nothing to do with what you're doing. So don't do that. Find something in your space, in your niche, in your area, and find some other programs that you could promote and talk about and recommend. So that's the first thing. Research the possible programs. 2, go through and see which ones have affiliate links. So which ones have programs that you can recommend. Okay? Which ones have links that you can go through and you can actually get compensated through. Third thing, make sure that the platform, the product, the service is good. Go and if you're not going to do a review and just going to recommend these things, actually make sure what you're recommending is good. Otherwise, do an actual review of the platform. Go in, buy the thing, sign up for a trial for the thing, actually go through and get that thing and check it out and see if it's any good. What you can do is do review-based content. So you can actually put out videos like y'all see me put out where I'm going down and I'm breaking down the platform. Telling you what it does, how much it costs, the good, the bad, the pros, the cons, the pretty and the ugly. I'm breaking all those things down. You can do that on these various platforms and then still give you your affiliate link. Even if it's bad, right? You can still put your affiliate link. Because believe it or not, no matter what you recommend, someone may still go check it out and they may personally like it themselves. And so as long as you're being transparent and you're actually giving your real critique and review based off of your real critique and experience, then whatever you do in terms of giving the affiliate link is 100% fine. Now, what you should not do is go promote, and this is a big thing. Do not do this. Don't go out there and try to promote a bunch of stuff and not actually back the product, right? So don't go say it's the most amazing thing in the world and it's really not, just so you can get paid. Do not do that. There's too many people in the space that do it, and you actually will set yourself apart, in my opinion, by being one of the few who do at times not recommend stuff, right? Like actually say this is bad, but here's the link, but this is bad. Don't click it. I've done that, right? Where it's like, hey, I don't really recommend it, but if you want it, check out the link in the description. But if you want it, so you don't need to always love something, and it's best for your audience. If you do recommend some things that are bad and they should stay away from, like that is okay. That is healthy and it's good for the market. It's good for the products themselves. They get some negative critique. They can go back and then improve those platforms. It's all good at the end of the day. This is one strategy you can use to fully automate your sales. One other caveat is when you are recommending other people's stuff, I mean, sometimes it's good to have your own platform. One of the ways that I recommend things sometimes is just have folks go to my automation guide. So I used to have folks text keyword auto 240 to 240-696-2009. I don't even know if that works anymore. I think I changed that to something else. If somebody wants to try it, you certainly can. Okay. Now, if you want help getting some of these things, like if you want to automate your own thing, want to automate your business, you have your own product and service, you don't want to use this method, you just want to automate everything, go ahead to automatewithease.com. Again, that is automatewithease.com. Otherwise, again, take hold and use this method. It's very good for folks who don't have the time to service people. You don't have the time to handle 1 million clients, and yet you still want to make some money. It's also good if you want to focus and kind of get some baseline revenue for your business, some operating expenses that you can run off of, or ad expenses that you can use. Again, this will help you get some of that pocket cash that you need from those smaller bills, help you operate your business on an ongoing basis. So just take that in mind. Hopefully that's been useful. Share this with a friend, family member, or a foe, because they need this information too. I appreciate you and all that you do. I'll see you in the next one. And as usual, treat each day as a building block to a better future. Peace.